Hey guys, you join me here today at Chang International Circuit, the only FIA certified circuit in Thailand. Actually, I came here with a group of friends to join a classic car Trackday event, with 250 other classic cars joining. It truly was amazing to be there. Literally, everywhere you look, there's something cool to look at. But of course, we didn't come here just to admire all the different automotive beauties. We came here to drive on this epic racetrack. To tell you the truth, I have never been to this racetrack because it's quite far from Bangkok and it's actually very intimidating. But I was so blown away by how massive and professional, clean and safe this place is. I mean, this stadium can seat up to 300,000 people when fully packed during a MotoGP race. It's no wonder I was feeling very nervous to drive here. The Chang International Circuit is actually the fastest and longest track in Thailand, with a length of 4.55 kilometers. It's possible to reach speeds of 250 kilometers per hour in a car like a Porsche 992 GTS. So what car did I bring to this track? Well, I bought my Alfa Romeo 1750 GTV. A slow classic car for a high-speed track. It seems pretty safe, right? Yeah, it was, but my car had let me down on the third lap. My master cylinder for the brakes failed internally and the brakes stopped working. So the only way I could revitalize it was by stomping on the brake pedal repeatedly, as if I were trying to resuscitate a gorilla. It's fair to say that it's too dangerous to drive the Alpha, so I had to retire it. Luckily, my friend was kind enough to let me drive his stripped out but stock 997 C2S, the blue car that you see. I totally fell in love with this car after driving it. I was so blown away by how easy it was to go fast. The ergonomics and controls felt like as if they were tailor-made for me. So intuitive. Lastly, please keep in mind that this is my first time at Chang Circuit, so I was still learning the track and learning the line during the time of filming. So please be kind. Anyway, here is the full clip without further delay. Please enjoy. Thank you.
Okay, we're filming. How is it?
It's fun.
Good job. 997 track prepped car. Nothing to look at. Everything. Same driving position as me. Alright, so my Alpha is broken. I got to drive this car instead. Not complaining. Sign brake. Get the apex, go to the side, brake, apex. Put it on sign. Brake. This one is not that hard. Power. And then the final corner. Fast. Get on the power. Use all the track. At the Toyota side. Brake. Shit. Fucked up. Stay in the middle. That was too fast. I should brake earlier. Get the first apex. Put it on side. Brake. Hit the apex. Brake. Corner. Traction control came on. Okay, this is the fast lap. Too fast again. vibrations.